Watch this. I hide this app on my iPhone using Face ID, and now it's completely gone from my home screen. No deleting, no third party apps. If you are on iOS 18 or later, you can lock and hide any app like this. Let me show you how. Find the app you want to hide on your home screen or in the app library. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Tap on Require Face ID, then choose Hide and Require Face ID. Your iPhone will scan your Face ID, show a quick explanation, and once you tap on Hide app, the app instantly disappears from your home screen. To find it again, swipe all the way to the app library, scroll to the bottom, and tap on Hidden. Unlock with Face ID, and here are all your hidden apps. If you want to unhide an app later, stay in the hidden section, press and hold the app you want back, and tap on Don't Require Face ID. The app will be visible again and show up in search or your app list. And that's how you can hide and unhide apps on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such useful iPhone tips.